Good morning. Today we are going to see about PHP variable scope. In PHP, variables can be declared anywhere in the script. The scope of a variable is the part of the script where the variable can be referenced or used. Here, two types of scopes are local and global. First one is global scope. In this example, we are declaring the variable x is equal to 5. Outside the function, we are declaring this variable. Here, function myTest is a user-defined function. Function is a keyword. myTest is a function name. Here, we are printing variable x inside function as we are printing this x. We are closing that function. Then we are calling that function myTest. After that, we are printing using echo function variable x outside function as we are printing x. Here the output is variable x inside function, it won't print anything. Variable x outside function, it will print 5. Here the global variable, we are not able to access inside the function. So inside the function, there is no value. Outside the function, there is a value. We are printing 5 using global variables. This is called global scope. Next one is local scope. Here, we are declaring the variable inside the function. Here the function myTest, here local scope, x is equal to 5. We are printing variable x inside the function. We are printing x. Next, we are calling that function. Then we are printing variable x outside the function. Here, the variable value is 5. It will print variable x inside the function 5. Outside the function, there is no value. It will print nothing. This is called local scope. Variable x inside the function is 5. Variable x outside function is no value. This is local scope. We can access global variables inside the function using global keyword. Example. Here we are assigning x is equal to 5, y is equal to 10. Globally, we are assigning the values. The scope of the variable is global. Here, in function myTest, we are using this global keyword to access global variables. Here we are accessing x and y. Then we are adding two values and we are storing that value in y. Finally, we are calling that myTest function and we are printing that y value. Here, we should see that the output is 15. But here, the scope of the variable is global. Without using global keyword, we cannot access global variable inside the function. In this example, we can use global variables inside the function using global keyword. We are calling this myTest function. Automatically, it will store the value in y and then we are printing y. It will print 15. This is called scope of the variable. Here you should know that the scope of the variables are local scope and then global scope. Inside the function is called local. Outside the function is called global. If you want to access outside global scope inside the function, we should use global keyword. These are all the scopes available in PHP. Thank you.